afternoon. Today we're going to talk about how to fix your roof. From time to time, we have the local tornadoes and heavy wind gusts, tropical wind storm comes through, then you will see your roof missing a couple of the shingles. If it's not severe, you can wait a couple of weeks for the experts to come and do it, but most likely it's going to cost you more than it should. A lot of house insurance doesn't cover, or if it covers, you have to put the down payment of the whole value, 5%. Sometimes it's not worth it. This is what we call shingles. As an example, the shingle, I have like 40 of them. I paid $20, and all you need is a 1.5 inch the roof nail and good old hammer. That's all you need. I'll show you, demonstrate what I'm gonna do upstairs, down here first. Shingle works this way. This is a 1, and then you normally nail 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the next piece goes up like this way. You see it? So you only see this portion. Before you fix anything, people say it's too hot to go up there, but when it's hot, that's when you want to go up there, because you see this part here, the asphalt, this part, it's easy to lift up a little bit to sneak this in. It's when it's hot. So I know it gets hot up from time to time. I really ask you to go when it's hot. Make sure that you wear gloves so you don't burn yourself. Once you go up there, all you gotta do is sneak this in and take the plastic part of this. You see it? Just remove it. Then do we have to glue it? No. Do you have to apply any heat? No. Let the nature takes care of it by melt this portion in onto the new portion of the shingle. That's all you have to do. Another tip I'm gonna tell you is this. Depends on how old your roof is. You're never gonna find the right perfect match when you have to replace a new portion of the roof. This is what I would suggest. If you have a hut like this, they have the same color shingle, then actually take some of the old one, which is age together and fade out together, to replace the main roof, and then get the new shingle to replace a small hut. That way at least your main house roof has the same color throughout. Keep the house value high, and then never show nobody that you had to replace any shingles throughout the time. Well, it gets hot up there, so it's already hot. Let me go up to see if what I can do. All I'm gonna carry is like a 1 of the shingle, couple nails, and my good old hammer. Wish me luck. Thank you. Bye bye.